Nuterra, crafted indulgence. Chocolate-covered nuts and raisin cookies. Wholesome ingredients, irresistible moments. Savor the finest. Maison Zélie, fine confections, chocolate-covered nuts and raisin cookies. Every cookie, a masterpiece. Indulge, savor, repeat. Indulge in every layer of Aurelia's premium cookies. Crisp cookies, roasted nuts, and plump raisins, all enrobed in rich chocolate, crafted for true indulgence. Indulge in every layer. Crispy cookies with roasted nuts and plump raisins, enrobed in rich, velvety chocolate. Crafted for true indulgence. Indulgence, refined. Crisp cookies with roasted nuts and juicy raisins, covered in velvety dark chocolate. A moment worth savoring. Maison Zélie, fine confections, chocolate-covered nuts and raisin cookies. Crafted indulgence, timeless moments. Tarava Ridgeline, chocolate-covered nut and raisin cookies, layered by nature, finished in chocolate.
Lunea cookies, a moment of pure indulgence. So rich and velvety.
Indulge in every layer of Aurelia's premium chocolate-covered nuts and raisin cookies. Crafted with crisp cookies, roasted nuts, juicy raisins, and rich velvety chocolate. Experience true indulgence. Indulge in every layer of our premium cookies. Crafted with roasted nuts, plump raisins, and rich chocolate. Aurelia, crafted for true indulgence. Indulge in every layer. Crisp cookies with roasted nuts and plump raisins, enrobed in rich, velvety chocolate. Crafted for true indulgence.
Indulgence, refined. Crafted with premium ingredients. A moment of pure indulgence.
Indulgence, refined. Nuterra chocolate-covered nuts and raisin cookies. Simple, honest, extraordinary, a moment worth savoring. Indulge in Nuterra's chocolate-covered nuts and raisin cookies. Crafted with premium ingredients for a moment of pure refinement. A moment worth savoring.
Valora Cocoa Orchard, chocolate-covered nut and raisin cookies, crafted for slow moments. Indulge in the rich, slow-melting chocolate and crunchy nuts.
Indulgence Refined. Chocolate-covered nuts and raisin cookies. Crisp cookies with roasted nuts and juicy raisins covered in velvety dark chocolate. A moment worth savoring.